What's up, online shoppers? I wanted to show you this awesome little metal shelf that I purchased to organize some of my stuff. I love the dimensions of it. I love the industrial kind of a feel of it, and I want to give you a walkthrough. Now, it does come requiring assembly. My husband put this together for me. It took him probably about 30 minutes in total, so not long at all. It does not come with these nice little bins, but I do love how they look, and I love that I can put things in here and kind of keep it nice and neat. 5 shelves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's got this really cool looking industrial feel to it with the crisscross on the sides. I like that because it kind of helps to keep everything in. So when I put these little bins in, it prevents them from sliding sideways. It reaches a max height of 53 inches tall. I'm 5'6", so about 5 feet in height. It's got really nice wire mesh shelving, and something that's pretty cool about this is that you have adjustable feet that you can just twist. If your floor is uneven, you can adjust the little screws at the bottom of the shelf to make sure that you have a really nice, sturdy, solid connection with the floor. The total load capacity for each one of these shelves is actually 110 pounds. So in total, that makes this shelf be able to hold 550 pounds worth of stuff. Not that I plan on putting 550 pounds, but it does have a pretty awesome load capacity. So if you wanted to put things on here like pots and pans, small kitchen appliances, you can put it on here without fearing that it's going to topple your shelf. The mesh shelving here is pretty close. I think that's nice because I can put things on and not worry that stuff is going to fall through. Like, it doesn't have really big spaces. It really does have a small footprint, so you can tuck it into a corner and store a lot of stuff on it and not feel like you're walking around something that's big, bulky, and an eyesore in your kitchen or your pantry or a corner of your room like this. And the other thing is, it does have built-in anti-tip protection. That's why it's got the wider base across and those adjustable feet. It just makes for an overall really awesome little storage shelf. So whether you're thinking about this for shoe storage, for small appliances, or maybe even an extra space in your bathroom to put linens, towels, washcloths, soaps, extra toilet paper, this is a super versatile little shelf that has a limitless possibility as far as what you can do with it. Tall shelving that's relatively narrow, super sturdy. As far as the aesthetics of it, it's pretty versatile. It isn't overly modern or overly classic. Tuck it somewhere and it's great storage. If you're looking to level up your storage game, this one here is absolutely awesome, and it's a family favorite at my house.